Free money sounds fake, because most of the time, it is. But some offers can put real cash back in your pocket. Think of a grocery store free sample. The bite is free, but the store hopes you buy the giant box. Credit card rewards, 0% offers, and bank bonuses work the same way. The deal can help you, but only if you do not get pulled into spending more than planned. Here's what you'll learn in today's class. Unlock low-cost capital with smart credit use. Maximize rewards on everyday spending. Avoid pitfalls with disciplined payment habits. Discover simple bank bonuses for extra cash. Leverage my 850.ai for safety. Let's get started. Here are some key terms for this lesson. 0% intro APR, a short starting period where a credit card charges no interest on certain balances, or APR. APR means the yearly price of borrowing money. Balance transfer, moving debt from one credit card to another card. Balance transfer fee, a fee charged to move a balance, often a small percent of the amount moved. Cashback, money a card gives back based on purchases. Sign-up bonus, a reward for opening a new card and meeting the spending rule on time. Bank account bonus, money a bank pays you for opening an account and following certain rules. Now, let's jump in. The free money method means using offers that lower your cost or pay you back. A 0% intro APR card means the card charges no interest for a short time. APR means the price of borrowing money. A balance transfer means moving debt from one card to another. Cashback and sign-up bonuses pay rewards on spending you already planned. Bank bonuses pay you for moving deposits, like a paycheck, into a new account. Here is the big secret. 0% is not a forever deal. It is a kitchen timer. If the card gives you 12 months with no interest, month 13 may look very different. If you still owe money when the timer rings, interest can start eating your savings. Smart users set a payoff date early, like finishing homework before the teacher collects it. Credit is not just a score. Credit is a risk profile. Your report tells a story about how you borrow, pay, and manage limits. Lenders do not just ask, "What is the number?" They ask, "Does this person look safe to lend to?" If you open too many accounts, run balances too high, or miss payments, the story can start to look risky, even if you meant well. Cashback feels exciting, but here is where people slip. Spending $500 to earn $25 is not a win if you did not need the $500 purchase. That is like buying 5 pizzas because the 6th slice is free. The smart move is simple. Earn rewards on gas, groceries, bills, and planned spending. Never create new spending just to chase points. Bank bonuses can be real. A bank may say, "Open an account, receive direct deposit, keep the account open, and we will pay you a bonus." But the rules matter. Some require a minimum deposit. Some charge monthly fees. Some take months to pay. It is like a phone plan deal. The ad looks simple, but the fine print decides if it is actually worth it. The credit system is like car insurance. One small thing may not ruin you, but patterns matter. Many new applications can create hard inquiries, which are credit checks that may affect your score. High card balances can hurt because they make you look stretched. Late payments hurt most because they suggest risk. The goal is not to look busy. The goal is to look steady. Before you chase any offer, ask 850 AI to help you slow down and run the math. It can help you review your report, understand balances, spot risk areas, plan payoff dates, and compare whether an offer fits your credit story. The best version of this method is boring in a good way. You spend what you already planned, pay on time, track the deadline, and keep the reward.